Hello and welcome. Today's video brings an important update from the world of income tax law, and it is something that might surprise many. The Madras High Court has recently ruled that income from sale of white button mushrooms grown in a factory under controlled conditions is not agricultural income. Yes, you heard it right. It is not an agricultural income. Let's break it down in simple terms. The background of this case is as follows. A company named British Agro Products India Private Limited was growing white button mushrooms, but not in open farmland. Instead, they cultivated these mushrooms in temperature controlled factory units like the greenhouses. Now they claimed that the income earned from selling these mushrooms is an agricultural income and therefore not taxable under section 10 subsection 1 of the Income Tax Act. The assessing officer disagreed, saying since there was no actual agricultural land, it cannot be considered as agricultural income. Now, what to this did the court say, which is Madras High Court? The case went through appeal, then tribunal, and finally landed before the Madras High Court. And here's what the court held. To be exempt as agricultural income, the income must be derived from land used for agricultural purposes. Land used for agricultural purposes. That's the key phrase. Now, since these mushrooms were grown inside a factory and not land used traditionally for farming, the court said this is not an agricultural income. So the income earned is taxable under normal business income. Now, why does this matter? This ruling is important because it clarifies the definition of agricultural income under section 2 subsection 1A of the Income Tax Act. It draws a clear, I would say, line between traditional farming and factory-based cultivation. It prevents misuse of tax exemptions by businesses operating under non-agricultural conditions. In simple terms, if your produce is not grown on agricultural land, then don't expect it to be tax-free, in very simple terms. So to sum it up, selling mushrooms grown inside a factory under controlled climate, well, that is not agricultural income. And yes, it's fully taxable. The Madras High Court has made it clear, just because it's a plant doesn't mean it's farming. If you found this explanation useful, do like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with others who deal with agricultural taxation or agribusiness. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered. Thank you for watching.